how to fix slow download speed on Google Chrome. The first things first, the root cause or the main branch that you would like to see or double check is to check if your internet connection that you're currently connected to right now is a stable internet provider. So make sure that your internet signal right here is full bar. And then the other thing that you can do is make sure that you clean up your download storage time to time, or maybe weekly or monthly from your current browser. So on your browser, just go to the three dots in here and then go directly to your settings. And from here, go to privacy and security and make sure that under delete browsing data is already been cleaned out. So these are the things that you'll need to make sure first, so you do not have to do anything with the performance or to dig deep into the settings from your Google Chrome. Um, the main reason why your internet is slow is actually basing from the main connection that you are connected with. So you'll just have to double check on your main connection if your internet provider is stable, because it also affects your download speed from your current browser. So yeah, that's it. Those are the troubleshooting steps on how you can fix slow download speed on Google Chrome.